Hello, in this video, we intend to withdraw the amount that we deposited into the T4Trade account via Skrill. We will withdraw it using the same method, and we are now in the account section. We select the Withdrawal tab, and in the Withdrawal Method section, we choose Skrill.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
In this section, we select the account from which we want to make the withdrawal. You select the withdrawal amount for the Skrill account and the Submit option. The withdrawal request has been registered, and it usually takes about 24 hours for the withdrawal request to be processed. Your request needs to be approved by the broker's support team, and you will also receive an email from the broker. This email will inform you about the status of your withdrawal. In the History section, we can also check the status of the withdrawal, which will show as processing or waiting for processing. Once it is completed, the status will change accordingly. Also, in the section related to your commercial account statement, the amount will still be shown in your account, and if it hasn't been deducted yet, you should check your email. Once you receive the email from the broker regarding the withdrawal, you need to confirm that email. After a short period of time, the process will be completed and the funds will be transferred. We will receive our funds in the Skrill wallet. Also, as you can see in the dashboard section, the amount has been deducted from the account. In future videos, we will be with you to discuss other deposit and withdrawal methods in the T4Trade Broker. Take care.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.